Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create a crown or a halo out of baby's breath. Here I have some pink tinted baby's breath. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take your baby's breath, put them into smaller pieces, take a piece of wire, wrap it around the bunch of baby's breath, fold it over, and then take some floral tape, wrap it up. And you're going to want to create many of these, enough so that it fits your head. Create about maybe 10, begin there, and if you need more, create more. But you're going to need to create a lot of these because we will be braiding them together, or kind of connecting them together, and to create this halo or this crown headpiece. So just make these as many as you believe you need. If you need more, create more. And we will show you how to put them together. Take the measurement of the head of the person who is going to be wearing this crown. Just take the measurement and based on that create your halo. Now we're going to begin to assemble our hairpiece. So just take two pieces, put them one under, a little bit below the other, and just wrap those two together. Simple. And then you're going to take another piece and just put it right under. And you're basically just going to continue this pattern. Take one, put it under. And continue that pattern. It's very easy, very simple, and very quick. You can put smaller pieces at the back and bigger pieces in the front, and also have your measuring tape out by you, so that you can measure as you go along to make sure you don't make it too short or too long. Continue using this technique, put one a little bit below the other, wrap it together, and continue doing that. It becomes a bit challenging when you get to the last one, but once you do, just kind of flip it over your arms like you see here. And it's pretty simple, very easy, very fast. This took me no more than 5 minutes. And it's, as you can see here, it actually broke apart while I was twisting it. So what you can do, let's take this as a learning opportunity. Let's see how you can fix it. Just put it back on, separate the two, and loop it around. This is quite difficult because you can get a bit tangled, but once you got it, just cut off a piece and loop it around. Also, you have that piece of wire sticking out, just bend that over or bend it around. Kind of like that. And it's all fixed. And for the final touch, just wrap the bottom. You can also use a bit of wire to secure any loose pieces. So now we're going to attach a veil to our headband here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that first piece that we had. We're going to attach the end to that first piece using some floral tape, like that. And cut off a little bit of floral tape. And you're just going to loop it around the end, the two ends, with the help of the very first piece of baby's breath that we used. So just like you see I'm doing here. To just cut our veil using our Tulle here. So just take it and decide what length you want it to be. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. Of course, it depends on what you want. We're going to take it and we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to loop it underneath and then over. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab that other end through that loop, and we're going to pull the entire thing through. You're going to do that on the little gap that you see that's left there. And there you go, that gap is full, and you have your little veil here.